What's happening in the markets right now? I'm going to tell you how it's impacting silver, gold, precious metal, mining stocks, the general stock market. Welcome to Ron's Basement. I'm glad you're here. Let's start with the price of gold. Today it's down not quite 1% in the 1835 range. Silver's been hit a little harder, down 2% to around 2150. The general markets are also down around 1%. Crude oil's down fractionally. And the precious metal mining stocks have been obliterated today, down 2-3%. GDX, GDXJ, a rough day to be holding miners. Don't forget though, you and me, we are not alone. We aren't the only people that hold these stocks. There's thousands of others. We would like there to be thousands and thousands more of others, which there will be when the crowd comes rushing in. But for now, we're the smart ones, but we also get to experience the pain. The value represented by these mining stocks is still extraordinary as long as the price of gold and silver roughly hang where they are. You cannot find a better value proposition than that represented by the precious metal mining sector right now. If the price of the metals goes up, we are in for one heck of an extraordinary ride. Now stay with me till the end of the video because I have a key concept that we need to see happen, and I think we will see happen, which could be great news for silver, gold, precious metal mining stock investors in particular. But hey, things are so great out there. Did you see yesterday, almost 50% of Americans don't have $1,000 set aside to use in case of an emergency? I mean, it's like, what the heck is going on? Credit card debt is at record highs. We know the price of food, fuel, housing have skyrocketed. Retail sales are down, down, down. Look at Walmart, look at Target, look at Ross stores. Things look really great in the economy, right? I mean, a prime environment for the Fed to be tightening monetary conditions to slow things down. I think they've slowed it down already. I think the brakes are about ready to be released. And we almost forgot to mention the great news we got this morning on the employment picture. Initial jobless claims came in much higher than expected at 230,000. And we all know those numbers are kind of BS anyway. And now I want to move on to some good news or potential good news for us that invest in silver, gold, precious metal, mining stocks. But first, I want to mention that if you enjoy being here in the basement with me, I enjoy having you. You could subscribe to my channel and don't forget, press the little bell notification. That way you get notified every time I release a video. Now here is the good news. In the 1970s, the last time that we had stagflation like we have now, the price of gold did very, very well. And for a while it didn't do so well, then it did do well. And the mining stocks, and this is what we need to see. We need to see a fancy word, a decoupling. That means kind of a separation between the mining stocks and the general markets. And that's what happened back then. It could happen again now. No crystal ball, but the conditions are very similar and very conducive to that happening. Now, we're going to need the price of gold and silver to go up. Let's get that done first, and then we'll enjoy some spectacular gains in our precious metal mining stocks. Thank you for joining me today in the basement. I'll look forward to seeing you, the one and only, you. Your mommy loves you. I'll see you soon.